right, so Paul's got like a whole pile of goodies over there. So I think what we're gonna try and accomplish, I mean, hopefully we can get a lot done, but the main thing we're gonna try and get accomplished today, at least I'm going to, I think he's gonna work on relocating the spark crap, and then because he got new spark plugs. They said it was gonna be black and they came red, so that was real great of eBay. Because it said as pictured and it was black, so they got Paul good. Yeah, so now I'm having Paul pull the turbo off because I don't feel like doing it because fuck that. And then I'm gonna hopefully sawzall the wastegate pipe off because basically we got to rotate it so that way we'll be able to get the oil feed to go straight down, and hopefully I mean, that's our last. It's like our last hope right now as to what's causing the turbo to be leaking. Even though I mean, it may leak probably still because I don't know. The turbo might be just shapooped or something. But yeah, let's hopefully this will fix it, or at least get the oil down to a very reasonable level. I'd be fine with just a very, very small amount of mist. Even though I really don't want to hook up an intercooler and fill it with oil. I'd really rather not. We could probably put the old turbo, or the old, I don't know. Say put the old intercooler on until we get it figured out. But even then, it's still going to get all up in everything.
Yeah, maybe in all the hoses.
So, yeah. Yep, so let's just hope that the drain fixes the fucking problem. So, let's get to work. Alright, turbo's off. Now the fun part, gotta cut this and cut these little supports off. So let's choppy chop, and it's gone. So now we'll probably just weld it on there like so, and hope for the best. All right, well, got it tacked on, so it should be pretty close. So now I gotta take turbo off, get it out of my fucking face, so that way I can have a little bit more path for your welding, so I can get as much as I can before we take it off so it doesn't get fucked up. So let's do that. Alright, well, got at least like a fifth of it welded up. Not gonna get up close because they look like shit. Alright, well, that's what friends are for. I'm gonna let him do the easy part and take off the manifold, because that's what friends are for. Alright, well, it's off. Now I just gotta finish welding. Okay, so we got, that's all welded up. It actually isn't that bad. Okay, there's the welds, you know, whatever, fuck off. And
go screw yourself, by the way.
Yeah, got it. Thanks for the comment. And then I actually welded in a support for that turbo, since we didn't do that before. And then there's also one here for the wastegate. There was two, but it only needs one. So, and now I'll just hit it with some paint and hopefully it works. Alright, well, we're finally getting it bolted back on after we had to replace like 3 broken studs because, you know, naturally they're gonna fucking break. And yeah, when Paul hurries his ass up, we can get the turbo on there, and hopefully yeah, we gotta put the wastegate dump on it. Hopefully everything clearances, because if it doesn't,
did you hear
that's
that?
a damn shame. Yeah, I heard it.
Someone had an ooga horn?
Is that what that was?
I think so.
Sounded like someone dropped a bucket or something. But yeah, let's hopefully have no clearance issues. Carry on. Like, we went and had some foods, and it's like Satan took over. What the fuck, dude? Yes, like it was like literally just like white on that side over there, dude. That storm's moving quick. But yeah, so yeah, I think Paul's got this thing mostly bolted on now. 5 days later.
I had to eat.
So, but yeah, once this is done, then turbo on, downpipe, and hope to God everything clearances. Alright, there it is, it's on there. The clearances are pretty good. Pretty good. So, now all we gotta do is a new oil drain, and then we gotta finish his spark crap, and then, I mean, we could probably start it up, make sure we ain't got no leaks. Can't exactly drive it because it's piss and rain, so we'll just have to do that tomorrow in a different video. So, but yeah, let's carry on. All right, well, there it is. Got the new oil drain on there. So it's straight up, straight. Just goes straight down. So hopefully that's the problem. So that's what we did all this work for, just to make that thing straight. So hopefully that fucking fixes it. Yeah, now Paul's just working on getting his relocation shit fixed or figured out down here. So we'll be back when we figure that out. All right, so got the coil pack relocated down here. eBay screwed Paul, so he's got some random red wires. So we did like black, red, black, red. Then the relocated wastegate. Got the wastegate lines hooked up. New, or like the oil feed is straight up and down. We can actually clock this differently now, and it looks a lot better. Pretty sure that's pretty much all we got done today. It's a lot. It's not, well, it's not a lot, but hopefully it's enough. And then, yeah, I just welded up this knock sensor. Pretty much just welded a bolt to the back side of this, and then this guy will just go right into the block. So hopefully that will be working soon. But yeah, now we got to start it up and hopefully not have like any weird things. Make sure it's not in gear. I don't want to die today.
I already did.
All right. I don't see nothing. But that's going to be it for this one. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.